So this is how you can update your payment information on an iPhone. If you are first time seeing the Foxtecc channel, you can consider subscribing because there are plenty of videos which are supposed to hopefully help you out. So yeah, make sure you don't miss it by subscribing. But anyways, the payment information can be found in the main settings app of your device when you click on your profile and at the top. And this is where you can manage the thing. So you obviously have the payment and shipping right away visible. So you can click there. It might take a second to load up. Depends on the situation. It might ask for confirmation of your Face ID or even the Apple ID password. Depends, but you can get inside and you can see we have the payment method, right? So you can see we can add a credit or debit card. Most of the regular providers are going to work. So you can add the number, the date, the security code, and all of the required things can be added in here. Interestingly enough, we also have the camera button right here, which basically lets you add the card by simply scanning it, so you don't have to manually type all of the numbers, and this could also save you some time. And one more thing is also the PayPal. It depends on your country of the App Store, because obviously it works different on different parts of the world, but mostly you should be able to find the PayPal, where you can basically just log in through the Apple interface, and you will be able to just link your PayPal account with the of course Apple ID. So every time you then go through some sort of checkout or payment, you can also get the payment through PayPal. So that is how you can basically do this. I really hope I can help you out and explain it. Let me know what you think. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, and I'll hopefully get to see you later in the next videos as well.